Hello, boys and girls of grade 5. I hope that you have all been healthy and safe. Welcome to our mathematics class today. My name is Miss Yelita Brown Phillips. Today, we will be focusing on expanded notation. But before we go into our lesson, I would like us to do some recapping. Have you ever heard the word digit? Think about it. What are digits? Digits are the parts of a number. For example, we have the number 2,678. This number has 4 digits. Therefore, it has 4 parts. The next term I want us to focus on is place value. The place value is the position a digit holds in a number or its position on the notation chart. Now I have a chart there. Let's look at it. What is the place value of the 2 in the number 8,657,234? Yes, the position of that number is hundreds. It's in the hundreds column. The next term we will focus on is face value. What is the face value of a number? Think about the word face. The face value of a number is what you see, the actual number that you see. In the number 36,598, the face value of the 5 is 5 because that is what you are seeing. A quick question, boys and girls. What is the face value of the 6 in the number 67,453? Did you say 6? Good job, that's correct. 6 is what you actually see. The next thing I want us to focus on is the value of a number. What the number is worth. The value of a number is found by multiplying the face value, what you see, by the place value, the position of the digit in the number. So, to calculate the value of a number, we multiply the face value, what you see, by the place value, the position of the digit. So, let's look at the number 56,432. What is the value of the 6? Remember, boys and girls, to calculate the value, we multiply the face value by the place value. So the face value of the number is 6. What is the position of the 6? It's thousands. So it's 6 times 1,000, which will give us 6,000. So the value of the 6 in the number 56,432 is 6,000. Let's try this one. Look at the notation chart. The number represented on the notation chart is 7,985. What is the value of the 9 in the number on the notation chart? Boys and girls, how did we say we find the value of a number? Yes, boys and girls, we multiply the face value by the place value to find out what is the value of a number. In this case, the face value will be 9 and the place value would be hundreds. So our value would be 9 times 100. So the value of the 9 in 7,985 would be 900. So now for our actual topic today, expanded notation. We only did some recapping because during this lesson, you will see some of the very terms that we reviewed just now appearing. Expanded notation. Have you ever heard of the word expand? What does expand means? To expand means to stretch. Today, we are going to learn to stretch numbers. Isn't that cool that numbers can stretch? Expanded form or expanded notation, as you would see in some books, is a way of writing numbers to see the mathematical value of the individual digits, of the single digits. Do you see the word digits appearing there? What did we say were digits? We said that digits were a part of a number. It is shown as a sum of value of each digit multiplied by its matching place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, etc. Boys and girls, did you notice that we have stumbled upon those very words we spoke about earlier in the lesson? Yes, you will see them occurring very frequently here. Now, when we're expanding numbers, we start with the digit with the greatest value, or as you would say, the biggest number. So let's move to our first example. Expand the number 5,673. We can write what each number is worth and then move on. Let's look at that number carefully. 5,673. What is the face value of the 5? Yes, the face value is what you actually see. What do you see, boys and girls? 5. Great. So we will open brackets and write that. What is the place value of the 5? Remember, boys and girls, place value talks about the position of the digit. Did you say thousands? That's correct. So we place the multiplication sign and write 1,000, close our brackets, then put an addition sign. Now let's move on to the other digits in this number. What is the face value of the 6? The face value of the 6 is 6. Good job, boys and girls. So we open brackets, we write our 6, and we put our multiplication sign. What is the place value of the 6? Remember, boys and girls, place value tells of the position of the digit in the number. Hundreds, correct. We close our brackets and we put our addition sign. What is the face value of the 7? What do you see? Yes, 7. We open our brackets, we put our 7 in brackets. We put our multiplication sign. What is the place value of the 7? What is the position of the 7? Yes, boys and girls, tens. So we place our 10 in our bracket, close brackets, put our addition sign. And the final digit for this number, boys and girls, what is the face value of the 3? Yes, 3. Good going, boys and girls. We open our brackets, write our 3 in it, our multiplication sign. What is the place value of the 3? What is the position of the number 3? Ones. Yes, that's correct. And we close our brackets. Now you see we have there 5 times 1,000 plus 6 times 100 plus 7 times 10 plus 3 times 1. So we're now going to work it out. Good. So let's expand our number. 5,673 equals 5 times 1,000 will give us 5,000 plus 6 times 100 will give us 600 plus 7 times 10 will give us 70 plus 3 times 1 will give us 3. So there is the number 5,673 in its expanded form, in its stretched form. 5,000 plus 600 plus 70 plus 3. So now, boys and girls, do you think that you can do some on your own? Okay. So let's expand these two numbers. The first number, 9,675. 9,675. Take a minute, boys and girls, and expand that number. Good, you should be finished working by now. 9,675. What is the value of the 9 there? 9 times 1,000. What is the value of the 6 there? 6 times 100. What is the value of the 7 there? 7 times 10. What is the value of the 5? 5 times 1. So let's work it out now. The number 9,675 in its expanded form equals 9,000 plus 600 plus 70 plus 5. There you have it, boys and girls. Give yourself a pat on the back. You are doing an excellent job. Let's move on to the next one. This one is a slightly bigger number. 34,586. 34,586. I will assist you with this one. What is the face value of the 3 in that number? Yes, 3 is the face value. What is the position of the 3? The place value. The 3 is positioned under the 10,000s column. So it's going to be 3 times 10,000 plus, what is the face value of the 4? Yes, we actually see the number 4. What is the position or the place value of the 4? Yes, it's thousands. So that will be 4 times 1,000. Moving along, you're doing quite fine. What is the face value of the 5? We actually see the number 5. What is the place value of the 5 in the number? Where is this number positioned? Yes, boys and girls, it's in the hundreds column. So we have 5 times 100. Moving along, 8. What is the face value of the 8? We actually see the number 8. So it's 8, and what is the place value? What is the position of that 8? Tens. So it's 8 times 10. Last digit, 6. What is the face value of the 6? Yes, the face value of the 6, boys and girls, is 6. What is the position of the digit 6 in that number? What is the place value of the 6? The place value of the 6 is ones. So it will be 6 times 1. So let's stretch this number now. 3 times 10,000 would be 30,000. 4 times 1,000 would be 4,000. 5 times 100 will be 500. 8 times 10 will be 80. 6 times 1 would be 6. So the expanded form of the number 34,586 would be 30,000 plus 4,000 plus 500 plus 80 plus 6. Excellent, boys and girls. As usual, it's time for the question of the day. How many thousands are there in 8,765? How many thousands are there in 8,765? Take a minute to get your answer. at the face value of the number 8. 8 is in the thousands line, and we want to find out how many thousands are there in this number. Then we multiply that face value by the place value. Yes, 8 is in the thousands line. Did you say 8 thousands? Yes, you are on point, boys and girls. You are very, very smart. Keep up the good work. So, we learned a whole lot today. We learned what is a digit, we learned about the face value, we learned about the place value, we learned how to calculate the value of a number, we learned how to stretch a number. So we will recap. A digit is a part of a number. What is the face value of a number? The face value of a number, as we learned today, is exactly what you see. Place value. What is the place value of a number? The place value of a number is the number's position on the notation chart. To find the value of a number, you multiply the face value by the place value. Expanded form, or expanded notation as you might know it, is a way of writing numbers to see the mathematical value of individual digits. When expanding numbers, always start with the digit with the greatest value. Friends, this has brought us to the end of today's session. I trust that you would have learned quite a lot, and not only learning, but storing it in your long-term memory. Boys and girls, stay safe, healthy, be kind, obedient, and respectful. And above all, always believe in yourself. Bye, friends. See you next time.